Hey, good morning, everyone. I should say good morning because you may be watching this at 11 o'clock at night. So hopefully you're having a good day. So thank goodness it's Friday. So today we're going to look at how to incorporate cycloalkane and straight chain alkane together. So I have 5 examples that we're going to do. And then I have that homework that I promised you that it's going to drive you insane. But you can work on it during the weekend. All right, let's take a look at examples. I'm going to stop drawing hydrogen. Now, you know what? I'm going to continue to draw hydrogen. So you have this as your straight chain alkane. Don't worry, no tricks. But I'm going to put CH3 here. I'm going to put CH2, CH3 here. I'm going to put chlorine here, maybe a bromine here. Okay. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Let's start off. Oh, no, wait, hold on. Let's put a triangle here. Hey, that's pretty sick. Let's put in these hydrogens, which I really don't want to do, but let me just do them for the sake of you getting comfortable with them. Once you're comfortable, I'm going to stop putting in the hydrogen. All right, here it is. How would you name this guy? Well, as I said, there's no trick in terms of finding the longest carbon-carbon chain. It's going to be like this. Okay, the question is who's going to be number 1? So remember what we've been doing all this time. You want the lowest number. You always want the lowest number. It's always been the case. So 2 or 2. Which one do you think it is? Well, these cycloalkane are actually treated as psi group. Okay, not the main chain that we've been looking at yesterday. So this will be a psi group cycloalkane. So they are no different from all these guys. They're all psi group. Okay, now you wouldn't pick this as number 2, I can tell you that right now. Not because this is bromo. Yes, B is better than M, better than P. No, not because of that. It's because combination of number-wise, this will be 2, 2. Better than 2, which next already goes to 3. Even though you would say, oh, this is 2, 3, 4. Isn't that great? Well, 2, 2, 4 is better than 2, 3, 4. You want your second number to be low too. So for this question, you would say, let me just assign the number first. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to be some sort of octane. And you start naming them alphabetically. Okay, don't tell me you're going to start at 2-methyl, 2-cyclopropyl. No. Naming them, you name them alphabetically. So 7-bromo. Okay, and then 5, 6 dichloro. Ooh, I almost wrote something else there. That's not how you spell chloro. There you go. Okay, and then 4 ethyl, and then 2 methyl, and 2 cyclopropyl, and you named it octane. Okay, see how we did that? I'm sure you guys are comfortable with this now, right? Been a week that we've been looking at organic chemistry, and things are going to get repetitive. Okay, the only thing hard about this is that when I start adding more functional group, then things start to get very confusing and very weird. But as I said, if you go step by step without getting lost, ask me questions during office hour, you should be okay. This shouldn't be hard. You know, reaction will be tough, but we'll worry about that in a couple of weeks. What will that be? Oh, that will be the end of May. I wonder if we're going to be back in school by then, huh? Skeptical. All right. Let's do another one. Let's do one that looks crazy. I'll have an ethyl right here. I'll have a nitro. Maybe I'll have 2 nitro. Maybe I'll have a chloro. Hexagon here. Rectangle here. Rectangle here. I think that's enough punishment for you. Maybe bromine here. Why not? All right. Here it is. How are you going to name this? Longest chain. Where's your longest chain? Well, this is your longest chain. This is number 1, no doubt, because right off the bat, you have something here already. Here, if this guy's number 1, you're not going to have anything until you get to number 3. Pretty undisputed. 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, it's a nonane. All right. Which means these are side groups. All of these guys are side groups. Okay, you notice I did not put any of the H's. Well, getting lazy here. But if you were to draw this for real and you're doing this for marks, I would advise you to put those H's there. Okay. All right, let's name them. Remember, alphabetically. So you have 1 bromo. Okay. So what I see some student likes to do is that they like to cross them out as they move along. So that way they don't confuse themselves, especially things that are, of course, so multi-substituted. 7 chloro. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I think I did it wrong. I forgot about these guys. Okay. Forgot about those guys. Those guys come first. Butyl, Bu. So you have 4, 5 dicyclobutyl. I'm sorry. Okay. And then you have 7 chloro. Okay, if you're wondering why, because B versus Bu versus C. Okay, so 7 chloro. And then you have 7 methyl. Okay. Oh wait, I'm seeing things. I'm so sorry. Not yet. 6 cyclohexyl. Okay, H comes first. Then you have 7 methyl. Okay, and then 2,2 dinitro nonane. Oh, cite myself up a couple of times here. All right, hopefully covered it all. I didn't miss any, did I? Okay, you guys can tell me on on the comment section. Anyway, I see that you probably get the idea by now. Let me give you one more to do. So I'm going to do 5, and I'm sure you guys are okay. Let me just do one more. I think you guys will be fine. Let's move this up. Okay. This looks like a bird. Okay. I don't know how I would see a bird. You're probably like rolling your eyes at me now. Well, let me add one more thing. Let me add one more thing here. There you go. Let's make it look a little bit more distinctive because I don't want this to be so symmetrical. All right, so for this one, you have to recognize the fact that these are side group. They cannot be part of the main chain. Okay, you're not going to say something like this, would you? Because how would you take care of this part? So the only thing you can do is treat this as a side group. So your main chain is this. Okay. Now, would it make sense if my main chain is this? Because this actually gives me this. Oh, what am I doing? This will give me pretty much the same number. But if you were to do that, how would you treat this whole thing as a side group? That would be pretty difficult if you think about it. Okay, so this makes perfect sense. Okay, now what did I do? I think I erased something. Okay, yeah, I think I erased my cyclopentyl by accident. All right, so who's number 1? Well, I'm gonna tell you this is guys going to be number 1 because you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you were to give this guy number 1, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, this way is better. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so another non-name. So you guys try this out. Okay, see if you guys can name this. Okay, by pausing this video, and then I'm gonna write down the answer very quickly, and you guys check to see if you get the right answer, and then we'll call it a day. Okay. So what I would do here, well, you can pause now, but after you're on pause, I'm going to say 3,7-diethyl, 1,9-dicyclohexyl, 2,8-dimethyl, 5-nitro, 4 cyclopentyl none. Okay, I hope that's what you got. That's what I got. Alphabetical comparison. I was comparing E versus H versus M versus N versus P. Anyway, I think I'm going to leave the next two as a start, kind of refresh your memory on Monday. And please do your homework, okay? And check them whenever you get a chance. All right. This will be a shorter day today, so I'll see you guys on Monday.